Hello and welcome back. In today's lecture, we will be discussing important grammar concept, parts of speech. In language, words are categorized into different groups based on their functions and usage. These groups are called parts of speech, and they help us understand how words work together to form sentences. So there are 8 different parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. We will explore each of these categories in detail to understand their significance in communication. Let's explore the nouns. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. They give us the essential elements we need to communicate effectively. Let's take one example. The red car raced down the street. Here, the car is a noun because it names a thing, a mode of transportation. It gives us a clear image of what is being referred to. Let's take another example. The love between siblings is powerful. So in this sentence, the love is a noun because it names an idea or concept. It represents the strong bond shared between brothers and sisters, even though it cannot be seen or touched. The next one is the pronouns. Pronouns take the place of nouns in sentences, helping us avoid repetition and maintain clarity. For example, he is going to the store. So in this sentence, he replaces a specific male person, avoiding the repetition of the person's name. That book is mine. Mine indicates possession without needing to specify the owner's name. So we use mine instead of any specific person. Next is the verbs. Verbs express action or state of being in a sentence. They give life to our words, allowing us to convey action and existence. For example, she runs every morning before work. The verb run shows the action of the subject, she, engaging in the activity of running. So verbs like run describe activities or actions that someone or something does. They sang their favorite song together. Sing is another verb that denotes an action. The verb sing describes the action performed by the subject, they. It indicates that the individuals engaged in the activity of singing. Verbs such as sing convey actions or activities performed by people or things. Next one is the adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives describe or modify nouns, while verbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Together, they enhance our descriptions and provide clarity. For example, the bright sun shone through the window. Here, bright is an adjective because it describes the noun sun. It tells us more about the quality of the sunlight, indicating that it is intense or vivid. She ran quickly to catch the bus. Here, quickly is an adverb because it modifies the verb ran. It tells us how she ran, adding detail to the action. Without the adverb, we would not know the manner in which she ran. Prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Prepositions show relationship between words. Conjunctions join words or group of words. And interjections express emotions or sentiments. Together, they add structure and emotion to our communication. For example, the cat is under the table. In this sentence, under is the preposition, showing a relationship between the cat and the table, indicating its position. I like tea and coffee. So in this sentence, and is a conjunction joining the words tea and coffee to indicate that the speaker enjoys both. Wow, that's amazing. Wow is an interjection expressing surprise or admiration. Thank you for joining with us.